In this session, we will give you an introduction on requirement management. Requirements can be defined in a couple of ways. According to IEEE, it is a condition or capability needed by a user to solve a problem or achieve an objective. Or it can also be a condition or capability that must be met or possessed by a system or system component to satisfy a contract, standard, specification, or other formally imposed document. It can be also a document representation of a condition or capability. There are three levels of requirements: business level, user requirement, and functional requirements. In business level, the high level objectives of the organization or customer requesting the system or product is defined. It is described in the vision and scope of the document. User requirements describe tasks of the user must be able to accomplish with the product. These are described in the use case or scenario description. Functional requirements describe the functionality the developers must build into the product to enable users to accomplish their tasks, thereby satisfying the business requirements. Functional requirements are documented in a software requirement specification document. SRS describes as fully as possible the expected behavior of the software. This is also used in development, testing, quality assurance, project management, and related project functions. Some key points on requirements are: all the user requirements must align to the business requirements. User requirements must permit the requirement analyst to derive the functionality that the users will be using. Functional requirements help the developers to design solutions that implement the required functionality. Requirements do not include detailed design, project planning information, or testing information. Requirements need to be written with which the customer should also agree. The written document also helps the developers to understand when the project is done. Requirement processes can also involve certain risks. Some important ones are insufficient user involvement, creeping requirements leading to overrun and degrading products, ambiguous requirement, gold plating, minimal specification leading to missing key requirements, overlooking the needs of certain user classes causing dissatisfied customers. Incompletely defined requirements make accurate project planning and tracking impossible. Some characteristics of good requirements are complete, correct, feasible, necessary, prioritized, unambiguous, verifiable, complete, consistent, modifiable, and traceable. Thank you for attending this session. We'll be back with some more interesting topics.